Hello, genius brains. Welcome to your Hindi class with your Hindi teacher Aprajita, and here we start your course book Saral Hindi Patmala class 5, and today we are going to do chapter number 11. So the chapter is Daanton ki Safai, cleaning of teeth. We all know what is the importance of cleaning of our teeth and how important our teeth are to us. So let's start this chapter. करण के दांतों में सुबह से ही पीड़ा हो रही थी. Now there's a boy Karan and he has been suffering from toothache since morning. वह रोते रोते अपनी माँ के पास गया and when he was suffering from, he had so much of pain, he started crying and he went to his mother. माँ ने पूछा, बेटा तुम क्यों रो रहे हो? Then the mother asked Karan that why you are crying, child, why you are crying? Karan बोला, मेरे दांत में पीड़ा हो रही है. Now Karan said that mother, my tooth is aching and my teeth are hurting me. माँ ने उससे मुंह खोलने के लिए कहा. The mother asked him to open his mouth. Now see, he has come to his mother because he's having, the teeth are hurting him and he is telling his mother about that, and the mother asked him to open his mouth. करण के दांतों से बदबू आ रही थी. करण बहुत चॉकलेट खाता था और बिना कुल्ला किए सो जाता था. Now Karan's mouth was smelling very bad. The bad smell was coming from Karan's teeth. Karan, and why it was so? Because Karan used to eat lots of chocolates and he never used to even rinse his mouth before sleeping. माँ ने कहा, करण तुम्हें कितनी बार समझाया कि रात में मंजन करके सोया करो. Now the mother said Karan that Karan, how many times I have told you to brush your teeth before going to bed, before sleeping. तुमने मेरी बात नहीं मानी and you never have ever obeyed me. अभी भी तुम्हारे दांतों पर चॉकलेट चिपकी हुई है. देखो अभी भी तुम्हारे दांतों पर चॉकलेट चिपकी हुई है. And look, still your teeth, the chocolates are stuck on your teeth. इस चॉकलेट की वजह से तुम्हारी दांत में कीड़ा लग गया है. And now due to this chocolate which has stuck on your teeth, the cavity has formed in your teeth. करण को अपनी भूल का पता चल गया. माँ उसे दांतों के डॉक्टर के पास ले गई. Now Karan realized his mistake and the mother took Karan to the dentist. डॉक्टर ने उसे दवाई दी और समझाया कि हमें अपने शरीर के सभी अंगों की अच्छे से सफाई करनी चाहिए. Now the dentist gave him some medicine and he advised that we should clean all the parts of our body properly. We all know that all the parts of our body are very necessary, very important for us. So we should clean all the parts of our body properly. So children, you have understood? Whenever you eat something, rinse your mouth and brush your teeth twice a day. In the morning when you get up, then brush your teeth, and when you go to bed, before that, at night when you go to bed, before that, brush your teeth again. Okay? Now let's do some exercise. सही विकल्प पर सही का चिन्ह लगाइए. Tick on the correct option. किसके दांतों में सुबह से पीड़ा हो रही थी? Whose teeth were hurting since morning? करण के, माँ के, पिता के. करण के. करण बहुत खाता था. What did Karan used to eat? टॉफियाँ, chocolate खाना. He used to eat chocolate. So much of chocolate. माँ करण को किसके पास ले गई? दादी के, शिक्षक के, दांतों के डॉक्टर के. When Karan's tooth were hurting him, then the mother took him to the doctor. दांतों के डॉक्टर के पास. And दांतों के डॉक्टर, what do you call दांतों के डॉक्टर? Dentist. Okay? रिक्त स्थान भरिए. Fill in the blanks. करण रोते रोते अपनी डैश के पास आया, माँ के पास आया। करण के दांतों से डैश आ रही थी। करण's teeth were smelling bad, बदबू। So write down बदबू here. तुम्हारे दांतों पर डैश चिपकी हुई है। What was stuck on Karan's teeth? Chocolate. Chocolate. Okay? करण को अपनी डैश का पता चल गया। करण को अपनी गलती का पता चल गया। He realized his mistake. Now next is बड़ी ई की मात्रा वाले 5 शब्द पाठ से छांटकर लिखिए। Write 5 words with बड़ी ई sign of vowels from the chapter. Okay? बड़ी ई कीड़ा, कीड़ा. So one word is कीड़ा. Write down here. कीड़ा, बड़ी क में बड़ी की मात्रा ड़ा, कीड़ा. Then चिपकी. Here both the matras are there. चिपकी, क में बड़ी, चिपकी. Okay? कीड़ा, चिपकी. And what else? दवाई. दवाई. So what else? Which word is with badi e? Pida. Pida. This is badi ki matra. Pida. Okay. And one more word with badi e. Sharir. Sharir. Ra mein badi ki matra. Ra. So the words are कीड़ा, चिपकी, दवाई, पीड़ा, शरीर. वाक्य बनाइए. Make sentences with the given words. सुबह, हमें सुबह जल्दी उठना चाहिए. ओके. नाउ कुल्ला, खाने के बाद हमेशा कुल्ला करो. खाने के बाद हमेशा कुल्ला करो means after eating anything rinse your mouth. मंजन, दिन में 2 बार मंजन करना चाहिए. We should brush our teeth twice daily. दिन में 2 बार मंजन करना चाहिए. ओके. कीड़ा, करण के दांतों में कीड़ा लग गया था. दवाई, डॉक्टर ने करण को दवाई दी. The doctor gave medicine to Karan. डॉक्टर ने करण को दवाई दी. Okay, पूर्ण विराम. Now, children, the words which are given for making sentences, wherever you have used the words in the sentences, just underline them. Subha, we have used it here, underline subha. Kulla, underline kulla here. Manjan, underline the word. कीड़ा, underline this word. And दवाई, underline दवाई. Fine? Now, let's move further. निम्नलिखित वाक्यों का हिंदी में अनुवाद कीजिए. Translate the following sentences into Hindi. Karan's teeth had been hurting since morning. करण के दांतों में सुबह से दर्द हो रहा था. Mother asked him to open his mouth. माँ ने उससे मुंह खोलने को कहा. You did not listen to me. तुमने मेरी बात नहीं मानी. Karan came to know of his mistake. करण को अपनी गलती पता चली. निम्नलिखित शब्दों को शुद्ध करके लिखिए. Correctly write the following words. Now here some words are given, children, in Hindi. The words have been written incorrectly. You have to correct the spellings. Okay? Subah. No, this is wrong. So the correct word here will be subah. It's chota u ki matra. Sa chota u ki matra. Ba ha. Subah. Okay? Pida. Pida. It's pida. No, it's wrong. P. Pa में बड़ी की मात्रा. Ra. A. Pida. Chocolate. The spelling here is chocolate. Okay? Manjan. No, it's manjan. Manjana. Manjan. Doctor. Da adhaka tara. Sarir. No, we call it sharir. Sharira. Sharir. Okay? Let's move further. एक शब्द में उत्तर लिखिए. राइट द आंसर इन वन वर्ड. किसके दांतों में सुबह से पीड़ा हो रही थी? Whose tooth was hurting him since morning? करण. करण के दांतों में पीड़ा हो रही थी. किसने करण से मुंह खोलने को कहा? Who asked Karan to open his mouth? माँ ने. माँ ने. करण क्या किए बिना ही सो जाता था? What did Karan used to do before when he slept? He never used to brush. So मंजन. मंजन किए बिना ही सो जाता था. करण के दांतों में क्या लग गया है? What did Karan's tooth had? Cavity and it was कीड़ा. कीड़ा. कीड़ा लग गया है. Okay? So children, here the chapter ends and stay tuned for the new video. Keep learning, go through the lesson again and we meet very soon with a new lesson. Till then, bye. Stay blessed.